where's my drinks? Here.
Happy New Year, guys!
Welcome back.
Hi, big yourself!
We're talking to the fambam in the Philippines. Talking to the fambam. Talking to the fambam, guys. Toast, my love. Cheers. Nagdakot ka chan ko. Hi, best friend. Someone's still awake, my love. Hi. Say hi to Ate Manda. Hi, Nixie. Jade, lapayag ko talaga. Ay, sorry.
Ito na yung putok namin.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, diba? Papatok?
Timot, ikaw mayaman ka na ha. Ang dami mo ng negosyo Ang Nixie namin mayaman na Love you, best friend.
Sabi ko, best friend. Alam mo. Is the best. Hindi tao man yan. Kilala ko ba? Yan ang nakilala. Hilingan niya. Best friend nga yan. Best friend tao. Best friend ko nga. Yes. Blind kita nakita. Blind kita nakita. Dali na. Dali na.
Magbabawi at uulitin through the bad times. Let me hear you singing.
Roy, sakit kita aja itu waktu maksutan.
Good morning. Nilutwam.
Pansit.
Ayun.
Hello.
Pagpada kaming sama.
Who's the guilty one here?
Niso, of course.
Who's the guilty one?
Yes.
KJ.
Love, come on. 1, 2, 3, go.
Hi.
Come on, cuz.
Cuz, brother-in-law.
Brother-in-law. Come on. Come on.
Where's your proper dance? Oh my gosh. Nag-exhibition ni Marky. Come on, love.
Come on, cousin-in-law.
What?
Brother-in-law.
Yung pet mo, love. The dance mo nga You won, malaki.
Winner gets $20, guys.
You win. Yeah! Who won?
Wait. Okay. Ano nangyari? Bakit biglang nag-challenge?
I wear a G-string.
Diba sumasayaw-sayaw ka, tapos wait, sabi ni Tito Julius mo, alam ko na gagawin yan. Maglalagay ng ano.
Wait.
No, you wanna... Ng
No, I need
pampa-extra.
more.
Red lipstick.
No, I don't need to wear lipstick.
Come here, just wash it later on. Come here.
You must look at this guy.
Wala kayo dyan.
Video in 12 minutes.
Nakin-kinita pa nga doon. May cleavage, Shanti. Did you put this? That one is flat. She's not saying anything, but she's just laughing inside. Huh? Uy, New Year na, tahik. Oh my gosh! Happy New Year! Baka totoo yan, ah! Hindi na kayo umaamin. Ay! Tayo sumatahal mo na kayo. Oh my gosh! Nagsakit ang tachat ko! There's fireworks in there.
Can you take a drop?
Happy New Year!
Saan yun?
Time check, guys. It's what time, anak? What time?
1:56. Currently 11:57 in the Philippines.
Maaga naman nila nag-ano?
$1.57.
I know.
It's really silly. To get out of mine because it was too tight.
Ay. Oh my gosh. Happy January 1st, everyone. Ayan, maaga akong nagising. At ngayon, nagsasampay ng labada. Walang inaanong araw yan. Yan, tulog pa si Daddy Marky. So, iniwan namin si Queenie kagabi doon sa pinagpartihan kagabi. Ayun lang. Happy New Year! Yan, ginamit natin yung sampayan na binili ni Daddy Marky sa Aldi. Kailan lang namin pinabuksan. Or siya pala ang unang gumamit niyan. Ganda din. Guys, shadows. Daddy is putting the last bit of our greenhouse. He's doing a good job since Monday. He started the greenhouse Monday. Oh, putting the road base on Monday. Look at that. My husband is a tradie, mate.
Was a musician. Ding a ding a ding 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 ding.
And now? And now? And now?
Sorry?
And now, what's the tradie? Pero sobrang tagal nang inintay natin. Ano pala yung face ko? Nagbabakbak. Gumagamit kasi ulit ako nung Her Skin na Revita. Tagal lang hinintay natin dito, ha? When did you start this one? December last year? Putting everything?
January.
No, end of December.
How was it?
Yeah. 2023. Sorry?
I have to put the bins out.
Yeah. I need to bring the things in the fridge as well. Mahal? Good job. Maraming salamat. Andito na si father-in-law. Sunduin niya kami para kunin si Queenie sa pinagpartihan natin kahapon. Labas tayo.
Hang on. This all falls in.
Tapos si Mr. naman nagbibuild siya ng
Yeah.
True!
Because I can remember when you just started doing it, Emlyn was here with shorts on, sitting down here, the hair was all like, and how long ago was that?
1 year ago.
I can still remember.
I know that. It took him a year. And look at it.
Yeah, but that's not bad.
Beautiful.
I mean, it could have been a year and a half.
Exactly. It's
Unreal.
Can you say that again?
Mark Higgins.
This is all done by you and me.
Are you proud?
I'm very, very proud of
Mine's better.
I'm proud of myself.
I think you did. I thought, no, I'm wearing
Oh, they're wearing pink. So we're gonna wear blue, baby.
the pink,
But can I change?
I'll quickly go change.
pink kiddos.
Yeah.
Oh, that is
Yes, Dad.
Mark did it. Guess what?
Mark
Dad
did
did
it.
It only took. You weren't even here when he started this.
Good
Did you
job.
sing last night in Carrick's?
No.
We have got a very nice personality. Well up in the Chinese, what do you call it? Chinese horoscope. The
Chinese zodiac.
what do they call it?
Zodiac sign?
The snake.
Is it?
The Chinese
What you call that? Zodiac sign.
horoscopes.
You look up on this. the
I'm a
Chinese
dragon.
Of the snake. Oh,
I know. I'm a slithery snake.
Can form deep bonds in relationships.
Ooh.
oh.
True.
Ooh la la.
So that's and what are you?
They're reading the zodiac sign
pig.
of the thing of
And
snake.
mum's what?
Dragon.
Dragon. Pig.
I want to know what pig is in.
Pig is pink.
Pig is pink.
People born in the year of the pig are innocent and they enjoy happiness. They are laid back, caring, considerate, and kind.
Laid back.
Which makes them the best friends to have.
Aww.
Unfortunately, no one is perfect. People born in this zodiac year are also immature, simple-minded, and not financially intelligent.
How about
The dragon.
the dragon?
Charismatic, intelligent, confident, powerful, and they are naturally lucky and gifted.
Oh! We've got it.
Wow, that's so nice. Is that a dog shape?
No, it's not.
No.
No.
Alright, I'll be going in.
Saya-saya na naman ni Mr. sa binibuild niya. So, You bought this one half price before, that's why you got 4, isn't it?
Yeah.
So cheap. Can we have some in the garage?
Yeah.
For our shelving in there? Ganda. I think you just got that for 75 each. Because you paid 350 for 4.
Yeah.
Oh no.
That's less than 300. 80.
80 each? I remember 75.
Yeah, 300. Yeah. Okay, I'll go change.
Ay, may kalamansi si Bebe. Oh, happy. Kinuha lang namin yung SPN. Ito, karaoke, guys. Tapos mag-lunch out kami. What do you feel like eating, Amanda? Oyster. I don't wanna buy seafood and then take it home. It's stinky.
I don't wanna eat seafood.
Dito kami sa isang subdivision. How many years is this, Malap? Old or just new? Is it just new?
Just new. That's why they have the display home.
Dito na part kami na party kagabi. So pretty houses.
Ginagawa nila pag may concert sa Pinas.
Oh yeah? What's that, Malap?
It's waving too much. I can't read it.
Yeah. We are here in the Choice. Kasi hindi ako nakabili ng ano ko, guys. Journal ko. Journal. Ng pang 2025. Yung journal ko ng 2024, gift yun ni Daddy Marky sa akin nung birthday.
This way.
Wala. No, it's open here.
It says entry.
Ang cute nito, oh. Meron siya long. Guys, yung favorite ko na bujang, mura lang pala dito, oh.
Mag-stock ka na.
Ba't di natin nakita yan last time?
It's not there last time.
It wasn't there last time.
Kuha tayo madami. Sabi ni Mahal, I'll carry it.
water?
I'm gonna pay for it. So, we spent $22 for that. 5 buja, isang box, isang notebook ni Amanda. Sarap. And then yung nuts.
We walk
Cheap,
over?
cheap. Love, let's drive. It's so hot.
Oh.
Want some peanuts. Bumili kami ng honey roasted. Masarap to.
Big burger.
Sarap.
Kasi di magagatang
We are here in Big W. I'm gonna look for my journal in here. Guys, dumaan din pala kami ng Woolies. Pakita ko na lang mamaya sa bahay yung mga pinamili namin. So guys, pag nag-market ka ganito lang. Pag wala kang dalang eco bag, buhatin mo lang siyang ganyan. Dala-dala mo lang na ganyan. Ang mahal kasi ng mga eco bag, kahit sabihin mong cents lang yan. Dami-dami sa bahay. Nakakita ko ng diary ko, oh, ang laki niya, B. So, nandito kami sa Aldi dito sa Kawana. Ang tagal ko nang hindi nakashop dito, kaya hindi ko kabisado na. Dami na naman nabili, guys. We just got home, guys. Dito na kami sa bahay. Nag-unload lang tayo. So, yan, mag-haul tayo. Ang gusto ko lang bilhin ngayon ay ang aking diary. Pero tingnan nyo naman. At ako po lahat ang gumastos ngayon. Kasi si Mr. wala siyang trabaho. 2 weeks na wala. So, una namin pinuntahan para tumingin ng diary is The Choice. Is it? Yeah. So, wala akong nakitang diary doon, pero may nabili akong box. Christmas box. Sabihin ko na lang mamaya yung price. Love, just do your cooking.
That's the manual.
Okay. And then we got this video siya mix for $1.97. 97, super cheap. So, kumuha kami ng 5. And then, yung nuts na kinain namin kanina sa car. And Amanda's note. We're doing like a haul. And then, next, Woolies, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, Big W first. We went straight to Big W para tumingin ulit ng diary, pero wala. And then, nakakita si Amanda ng tissue niya. And then, nauna kami sa Woolies, pero unahan ko na itong Aldi. Itong chips, gyoza, cheese rings, and then, multigrain. And then, gusto kong mag-bruschetta, kaya nagpabili ako kay Daddy. Ay, nagpabili. Nagpahanap. Ako pala bumili, guys. Coleslaw. And then, this one for Daddy Marky. Onion and foil. Next natin, dito ko na nabili yung ating diary. So, number, date ni Amanda, Papa Luis, for her sewing thing. Ayan ang ating diary, guys. Ang laki niya. For only $15. And dito tayo sa ating
They're not sticking in my household.
not sticking. They're gonna stick, love, if you're cooking it.
Okay.
And then we have chili. Tuna with chili. 4 yung kinuha ko. Naka-sale kasi. Kuminsan lang siya mag-sale. Sumasabay naman si Mate.
Di yan masyadong ringin.
And then, kumuha kami ng 6 na toothpaste namin kasi naka-sale.
Marami kaming bunga nga, guys.
And then, outlet kasi kailangan namin dito sa lounge. Pagbo-burger kami ngayon, kaya bumili si Daddy. And then,
Bird food.
bird food. And then,
And brown rice.
pinabili ni Amanda.
Hashtag healthy living.
I know that. From 2025. Yun lang.
Yeah. Yun lang.
Wait, sabihin natin yung price.
Did you find the other receipt?
Yeah, the Woolies.
I don't know. Was it sa car?
So, yan. Sa sa Choice Discount Store, we spent $22.92. Sa Aldi, we spent $37.38. Hot Bargain, we spent $25.98. Woolies, we spent $63.50. Total nyo na lang. Ayan ang ating gastos for today.
Tada!
Umpisa ng taon.
Bye. Made by one and only Marky Mumusan. Where's mine, Dad?
So, may naiwan tayong sampay kanina. Isampay ko lang. Tapos si Daddy Marky doing the cooking already of the burger. No.
No? Or should I freeze it then?
Yeah. That's a lot. Yummy, yummy. It smells so good. We put a lot of veggies in here, guys.
A lot of veggies.
Sige, hello.
Sabi ko kay Daddy, I want my
You
ketchup.
want mayo?
Mayo, custard, and my ketchup, please.
You want mayo, mustard?
Ketchup. So, guys, yummy, yummy.
It's okay.
Should we eat out?
You ready? I am ready.
This is a burger with a difference, people.
Yum.
It's so flavorful.
Malay. Guys, yan na lang yung natira sa akin, no? Dami kasing langaw kaya may kandila tayo dyan.
It's a muga, not a burger.
Yeah, it's fine. It's yummy. Ayan guys, kakagising lang natin. Tulog tayo before 6 and then 7:55 na nung bumangon ako. Kain tayo ng kakanin from Anika and Sandra. I think luto to ni Bebe. Bebe Sandra, thank you. Bye.